in that. Till then, respected all the guests, judges, teachers, and all the friends present over here. I wish you all a very good afternoon and secondly, a very happy National Science Day. Myself, Priyam Kumari from Standard 11 from Uch Madhyamik Vidyalay, Haseli Kutti, Srinagar, Purnia. I am honored and privileged to be here to present my topic on water traditional, water management and water conservation. पानी 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 अमृत धरा सा पानी बिन पानी जग सूना सूना हर सुख का रस पानी. Thousands have lived without love. Thousands have lived without love, but not even one has lived without water. Every year on 22nd of March, we celebrate Water Day, World Water Day. Water is so essential for us. Every living organism present on the earth, they require water. Water is derived from the Sanskrit word jal, which is the intrinsic part of India's heritage. The Indian subcontinent, with its vast geography and diverse climate, has always recognized the importance of water. Water management is nothing. Basically, it's the planning, conserving, and responsible distribution of water. Now, our planet Earth, which has 71% water, out of that, 96.5% is from sea or salty water. 3.5% is potable water. Out of that also, only 1% is suitable for drinking. Now the question arises, why we need to conserve water? The main reasons are the growing population, pollution, irregularity of monsoon in our India. Now, water is life and it's very important to conserve it. So firstly, we can start it from our home itself by fixing the leakages of the pipes, by closing the taps when not in use, by watering plant wisely. We can water plant early in the morning, which will reduce the evaporation. Now, the oldest civilization of human history, Indus Valley civilization, the two cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, they were using a sophisticated drainage system to irrigate their land. And today, that traditional method is to be conserved again. Some traditional methods of water conserving are rainwater harvesting, rooftop harvesting, step wells method, check dam method, and many more. If I talk about Bihar, 31 out of 38 districts are contaminated with arsenic, zinc, and fluoride, which is not suitable for our health. In Bihar, government has also taken some conservative programs like Har Ghar Jal Nal Yojana, Har Ghar Ganga Jal in Rajgir by Honorable Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Agriculture is the backbone of our country, and Green Revolution, which came in 1960s in India by M.S. Swaminathan, it is basically the use of fertilizers and chemicals, which has really helped us to grow a large amount of food for the growing population, but also played badly with the health of our water and soil. It polluted our water bodies. At last, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that if today we are wasting water, remember that the war of 21st century will be fought over water, because no water, no life, no blue, no green. Remember, only one person cannot do that, but together we can conserve it. So please repeat it after me. I will conserve, I am conserving, and we will conserve. And together we can do that. So just don't sit and still here, but from today let's start to conserve it. Thank you and have a nice day.